Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your settings on the DJI Mic Mini in the DJI Mimo app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and access the settings on your DJI Mic Mini. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and open up the DJI Mimo app. But before you do, you want to make sure that your DJI Mic Mini is plugged into your iPhone. So once it's plugged in, open up the DJI Mimo app, and then you're going to see this tab open where it says DJI Mic Mini detected. Click on Go to Settings, and this right here will pop up the settings for your DJI Mic Mini. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open up the settings of your DJI Mic Mini on the DJI Mimo app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.